This video is a full review of the B&O earbuds, if it is still worth it or not. So if you're considering the Bang & Olufsen Play earbuds, let's talk about it. So first and foremost, this earbud has a boast sleek design with premium materials, as you can see here. Let's see that? Oh, it's still very sleek. It includes aluminum and glass. They also offer an active noise cancellation and comfortable fit and up to 20 hours of battery life with a charging case. Whoa. So you can order this through their site and also through their personal or physical store, where I don't know if it is available all throughout the globe. And with the app, you can customize sound profiles and control noise cancellation levels, enhancing your listening experience. So they also have a B&O app, which you can customize whatever you want with the product. However, be cautious of counterfeit products. Some users have reported purchasing fake BioPlay from unauthorized sellers. So I suggest to buy directly from their page or website or app in order to have some trusted platforms. So in summary, this product is pretty sick, which is also a legitimate and high quality products. Just ensure you're purchasing from reputable sources to get the authentic experience from this product.